What's up YouTube? Steve was back to you with another video. And in this video I'm doing some Injustice Gods Among Us. I haven't done a video of these because I don't play it. I just started playing yesterday, I think. So it's taking too long. It's a pretty cool game. So I'm saving up for the starter pack. I think they give you Batman, what else? Batman, Doomsday, and let's go see. Okay, so the starter pack. Where is it? Here. So special offer: Batman plus Silver, Wonder Woman, and Doomsday. So I'm gonna get those characters. Pretty cool. And I'm passing the star right now. The bonus mission. These are all my characters. My collection. Oh, it's not pretty good. It's not good. And not bad. But still. It's pretty good for when they are playing this game. So I'm gonna finish this battle, you guys. So hope you enjoy this video. I won't be talking for the rest of the video. That was pretty easy. Pretty easy fight. Need two more. Okay. Some noise in the background. My mom's friend is over, so. Begin. Last battle. Go on. Hope we win. Begin. So that was pretty easy. So we got the Flash again. 7,000 credits earned. That's pretty cool. Promote him. Okay, that was awesome. So now we're up to Sinestro. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my other Injustice Clash of Clans videos. Bye.